Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through on how to make your TikTok account public. Now to quickly get started in the video, from the home screen, tap on the profiles option on the bottom right, and from the profile section, tap on the three lines on the top right, and then tap on settings and privacy. Now from here, head over to privacy, which is the second option from the top. After that, on the first, you'll see the option of private account. You can easily tap on that and toggle the private option off. Tap on switch, and as easy as that, your TikTok account will be made public. From now, every video that you post will be made public and anyone can easily view your profile and the videos that you post. If you guys like this video and found this video helpful, then make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. Thanks for watching.